Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove certificates from Windows 10 so you can keep your system clean and secure. Step 1. Press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. This box lets you quickly access system tools and settings without searching through menus. Step 2. Type certmgr.msc into the Run box and press Enter. This will open the Certificate Manager, which is where all your system certificates are stored. Step 3. In the left pane, navigate to the certificate store where your certificate is located, like Personal Certificates. This helps you find the exact certificate you want to remove. Step 4. In the right pane, locate the certificate you want to delete, right-click on it, and choose Delete. This action will remove the certificate from your system, so make sure you select the correct one. Step 5. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes in the prompt. This final step ensures that the certificate is permanently removed and your system stays organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.